फॉल एनिमे सीजन 2020 वाज फिनोमिनल। हमें ऐसे शोज मिले जिनके बारे में हमने कभी एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं किया था, जैसे टोनी कावा ओवर द मून फॉर यू, एंड वी आल्सो गॉट reintroduced to our favorite animes such as Re:Zero. All in all, it was very much bogus indeed. शोनेन एनिमे से हमें ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं होती है, एज मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर प्रीटी जेनरिक एंड प्रेडिक्टेबल। हेक, हमें तो एनिमे कुछ ऐसे एनिमे सब सेम ही लगते हैं। This year spring also had its own shonen anime named Jujutsu Kaisen, which I think is a rare case of a shonen anime that with each episode that came, इस particular anime ने हमें shonen के tried और tested formula को break करके हमें कुछ नया दिखाया। The show, which had weak plots in the beginning, changed itself so drastically. In fact, in the second major arc, we couldn't even tell that the same show had a weak plot in the first few episodes. So what exactly was the reason, and how did they make it so? So before we go full analyze mode into the story arcs, we are going to think that is the most exciting about Jujutsu Kaisen. Yes, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ इस एनिमे के ओपनिंग सॉन्ग aka Kai Kai Kitan. This song slaps just as hard as your mom slaps you with a chappal every time you fell. सुनहरी यादें। मैं यूजुअली एंडिंग्स को स्किप करता हूँ, लेकिन आई नो कि ये पाप है, लेकिन मैं जुजुत्सु काइसन के एंडिंग को एक बार भी स्किप नहीं किया। हेक, मुझे ये इतना पसंद आया कि आई पुट इट ऑन माई प्लेलिस्ट। इन माई ओपिनियन द सेकेंड ओपी वाज प्रीटी कूल टू, but the second ED made me a bit underwhelmed. Let's go back to the main topic. Okay, so the first thing we should check out while reviewing a series is the animation. Here, the animation carried out by MAPPA was just flawless from the first frame. They gave each and everything great detail. It was just like the action scenes were just so entertaining to watch. मेरे को लिटरली बहुत मज़ा आया, और इतना मज़ा एनिमेशन से आया होगा तो स्टोरी में मज़ा डबल हो गया। Okay, so let's now talk about the story arcs. The first few arcs, which were the cursed womb arc, the cursed training arc, and the versus Mahito, were all just meh. Mahito arc में कुछ moments छोड़ के everything seemed like it was in a shonen formula generic show, but हमें progress दिखाई दे रही थी. The story arc something of a character developments themselves. Okay, I realize this is stupid, but whatever. Now we get on to the real deal, the part where we all have been waiting for, the arc where they compare the type of girls they like, the Kyoto school event arc, but nobody cares about that anyways. We in our true degenerate selves care about how our boys Todo and Yuji compare the plots. Yes, the plots in which the girls they like, and because that's what heroes do.
Are you an insane? どんな女がタイプだ。
あ？よくわかんねえけど。
Then comes the death painting arc. इसमें Fushiguro got his time to shine and develop his character. He caught us all off guard and unleashed his inner self, which was indeed very intriguing to say the least. The characters in the meantime had very generic shonen backstories, but मैं नहीं बोल रहा कि ऐसे backstories bad होते हैं, लेकिन the characters relied heavily on the emotional aspect, but that's why the story is so intriguing to see unfold. The approach that was taken towards this story was highly realistic and sometimes even relatable to some people watching. We could take the story of Itadori Yuji, our main character, for example. His grandfather had given him some advice to help other people, so he hit a finger to help Fushiguro Megumi and abided by his grandfather's advice. In a similar way, we could also see the perspective of Fushiguro change towards the world after his sister was cursed. इसी तरह इस शो ने स्टैंडर्ड मेथड्स को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी बना दी. सो नाउ द मेन क्वेश्चन अराइजेस, इज इट वर्थ इट एंड कुड दिस बी द नेक्स्ट जेन शोनेन मास्टरपीस? मैं दोनों ही आंसर को पॉजिटिवली लेना चाहूँगा. Even if the story gets boring for you, there is still room for change as the new season has just been announced, and with it we hope to get more interesting stories And about this becoming a masterpiece, it can surely become one if they stick to the current pace and keep getting better. Okay, so that is it for the review. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And while you are at it, follow us on Instagram and Twitter too. We will try to maintain consistency and upload. For getting to watch our videos the first, click the bell icon. Until then, this was Otsuzuki Fired signing off.